In this video, we're going to review some of the recent results we've had for our longer term stock picks. So here at Stock Market Guides, we offer a stock picking service, and within it, you get trade alerts for different types of trades, and you can select which time frame or trade duration you're interested in. And a lot of our trade alerts are for shorter durations, like say a 1 week trade, but we also send trade alerts for stocks that you can buy and hold for 3 months or longer. And so this is going to review some of those longer term ones. These are 3-month trades, and we've had a couple of really good ones recently. So these are some trades that just closed today. They just reached their end time today. And you can see how they performed here. This column shows the change in the value of the stock from the time that we sent the alert to the time that the trade alert ended. And so this particular one, like right down here, we have NVIDIA. And this is one we sent a trade alert on November the 30th. And it called for an entry right at that time. And it called for an exit on March the 1st, which is the day I'm filming this video. And let's take a look. It shows the trade entry of 479.38 on November 30th. Now this is a stock chart for NVIDIA. Anybody who's watching this video, you might already be aware NVIDIA has been a very hot name as far as stocks go lately. And November 30th is when we sent the alert, and that was on this date right here. And it called for a 3-month hold time. And look what happened. It actually didn't do much in the beginning, and then this thing took off. And you can see if you followed the trade alert, it would have resulted in a 66.9% gain if you had gotten in right at the exact moment of the alert and exited right at the time that we called for an exit. And that's some pretty serious stuff right there. Another major name here is SMCI. That's been a very hot and popular ticker symbol in the stock market lately, especially with active traders. Let's take a closer look at that one. You can just click this icon here and you can see the original trade alert. And this also was sent on November the 30th. And so let's go take a look at that one. So November 30th is when we sent the trade alert, is right here on this date. And it called for an exit on March 1st, which is this date. And Super Micro, this is one of the ones that's just really caught fire. Now, to be clear, it's not that we necessarily anticipated that these stocks were going to catch fire to that extent. So these are extreme examples. I wouldn't necessarily expect on a regular basis that you're going to see these sorts of gains. So these were really powerful opportunities that don't always come around and aren't necessarily what you would expect on an ongoing regular basis. That said, we did position our subscribers to benefit from these moves by sending trade alerts for them. So that's worth celebrating. These are some really fun returns to see on some of our stock picks. If you have any questions about our stock picking service or just in general about the stock market, you can reach out to us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.